Hello NASCAR fans, student meteorologist Dillon Gaudet here from the CalU Weather Center, and I will be giving you a forecast for today's championship race at Homestead-Miami Speedway. But first we're going to take a look at the conditions last weekend at Phoenix International Raceway.
Last weekend was a beautiful one in Phoenix, Arizona, the site of the last elimination race of the chase for the Sprint Cup Championship. Temperatures were around normal for this time of the year in south central Arizona, and there was no threat of rain like was the case last season. After a wild last few laps, Joey Logano was able to score the win and move on to the championship race. Now we're going to take a look at what set up those beautiful conditions. There was a surface high pressure located in northwest Arizona, which helped produce the pleasant weather for race day. Now, looking at a visible satellite image, Phoenix was caught in the middle of two systems, and again, there were not too many clouds in the sky. Now, let's take a look at the conditions for this weekend's race at Homestead-Miami Speedway. Now, taking a look at the radar here on this Sunday afternoon for your race in Homestead-Miami Speedway, and not too much going on in the southeast and not too much going on there in South Florida as well. There is a system up in the northeast that's bringing some snow and rain showers to the area, and then up in the Minnesota there are some lingering snow showers as well. But this system right here worked its cold front through the southeast and cooled down temperatures for South Florida. It's not going to be as warm as a typical South Florida day, so very pleasant racing weather for South Florida. Now we're going to take a look at the last time weather impacted a race at Homestead-Miami Speedway. The last time weather impacted a race at Homestead-Miami Speedway happened to be just last season in 2015 Sprint Cup Championship race. The race was postponed about an hour due to rains earlier in the day, but ended up getting going, and Kyle Busch ended up scoring his first career Sprint Cup Championship. Now let's take one final look at your forecast for Sunday's race.
And now we're going to take a final look at your forecast here for Homestead-Miami Speedway, and looks like a beautiful day. 77 degrees, mostly sunny and pleasant weather. A slight wind from the north at 10 miles per hour. But again, beautiful weather for today's championship race. No impacts should be felt by the weather, which is great because this season we've seen a lot of weather impacts. But if you want to keep up to date with all your race day weather information, follow Race Day Weather on Twitter as well as NASCAR Weatherman. They will keep you up to date with all your racing weather needs. And my next video plans on looking at the climatology of NASCAR and take a look at the 2017 season and see what races could be impacted by weather. But for right now and for the whole season here, the 2016 NASCAR season, thank you guys for watching, and check out my next video. Thank you.